Now this is a great looking Defender 90 D250 X-Dynamic SE, finished in Santorini Black. It looks fabulous because it's an X-Dynamic. It's then got over the top of a full extended black pack. It's sat on 22-inch wheels with the orange calipers. It's got fixed side steps, privacy glass, mud flaps. It's just got a real good look to the car. And if we move to the rear as well, it's also got a detachable tow bar. Spare wheel cover is in gloss black as well, so it's all color coded in black, so it just looks well. It's a 2022. It's priced at £54,990, just been serviced at Land Rover as well. Big option from factory are the 22-inch wheels. They're a £2,000 optional extra, and they do just transform the way that car sits and looks. You've got your side steps, as I've mentioned, they're all in gloss black. The X-Dynamic gives you all the colour coded arches. You've also got auto dynamic headlights as well, with it being an SE. And an SE gives you, for me, pretty much all the spec you would want. Keyless entry, full leather, Meridian sound system, memory seats, digital cockpit inside, 16,000 miles, great miles. And then the big one for me, if we jump in, before I talk about everything else, is up here. So you have the tilt and sliding sunroof, and I think the sunroof, with it being a 90, the shorter wheelbase, makes a big difference to the car. It brightens it all up, and it's just a great extra. I've spoke about the digital cockpit inside. Heated seats are standard. The camera system again is 360 camera system, which is again superb, and you've got tone assist, as this has the detachable tow bar as well. Then you've got your Alexa, your wireless, Apple CarPlay, front and rear heated screens. Inside as well, I think with it being all black on the outside, ebony inside, the roof lining, everything's just got a nicer look to it inside as well. 5 seats, you've got 3 seats in the back, and then if I just open the boot, you can see, if you want to drop them seats down, you can. They just drop, split folding if you want more space. And it's just a great buy. 54,990 X-Dynamic D250 SE, with all the spec, with the sunroof, with the 22s and the black pack. It's got all the right extras. Going live on our website. If you want to give me a call, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.